Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new group in Messenger from your PC. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Messenger application or go to Messenger website from your browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From here you can see in chat section this type of icon. Click on it. Then add on the participants of your group. Once you have added all the participants to the group, press enter. Then send a random chat. Then your group will be created. You can also rename your group by clicking to this name edit button. You can add more participants by clicking to this add button here. This is how you can create a new group in Messenger from your PC. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.